think you're stuck there. Don't break it, yep. So we better take it from her. She might break it. Here, Addie, give her the balloon. Give it to Aubrey. Yeah, no, break it.
Oh, no.
She's trying to get it. It's okay. Okay, be careful, Aubrey.
No.
Okay, let's take this from her. Addison. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. Oh, that's your juice box. Oh my goodness. Okay, Aubrey, you gotta keep your stuff from her.